Hey guys, a year 25 comes to an end. And recently in Instagram and TikTok, YouTube Shorts, I have seen a bunch of videos where people tell about their failures in this year. So it's not this usual stuff when people share how successful a year has been for them. And yes, realistically, all of us, we have our successes and failures in any given year. But before, people always emphasized only the successes. And I think now people are sick and tired of this beautiful picture in social media that is not really realistic. So I kind of like this trend that you can shift the focus from pointing only your successes to highlighting your failures. And it's not bad and it's not just negative because failures are part of life and failures are something that helps you grow. With that, in this video, I want to look back at my year, what went wrong, where I failed, where I sucked, what I wanted to do but didn't do, all that ugly, unpleasant, but uh, stuff that is a part of life. Just a disclaimer that I'll mention only the things that are relevant to this channel. So, for me, as a data engineer, as a software engineer, as someone who tries to post some content about tech and all related stuff. So, I'm not going to be touching other fields of my life. And the issue number one, not getting better with DSA. This is a pain point of mine, something that has been haunting me for years already. I work in tech for more than 5 years as a data engineer, switched several jobs, but still I'm not an expert in data structures and algorithms. I got better. Uh, Clearly, I was able to pass several interviews, but still I honestly hate this topic. I'm not good at it. I'm not good at thinking at the spot. And yeah, it's just something that I always write in my goals for the next year. Maybe I even try to do it, but then I drop it. It's something that doesn't come to me easily. To be fair, in this year, I have started a course on data structures and algorithms, completed about 40-50% or something, but still, yeah, I haven't completed it totally, and I didn't practice it a lot on lead code and other services. So unfortunately, something that I will have to move forward with and maybe plan for the next year. Maybe I will finally do it then. Yeah, but so far it's been a fail. I don't totally suck in this topic. I mean, I know some basic data structures and algorithms, of course, and I can even use them in some situations, but it's not enough to do some complex problem. Yeah, I need to get better at it. The issue number two is I haven't brought a major change or improvement at work. And I mean here something big like proposing an idea and then acting on it. And the idea has to be not just something trivial. I'm kind of separating here the aspect of just doing my job good and doing even more. So that is what I'm striving for. I want to bring new ideas. I want to execute on them and make huge changes. Of course, it's limited by my knowledge and abilities and all that stuff, but I would like to do that. And unfortunately, in this year, I haven't done it. I did my job well, something that I was hired to do. I did well, but I want to do more. I want to do better, and unfortunately, it didn't happen this year. Fail number three is not good enough progress on the language range. It's a website, and I plan it as a platform for the English language school for teachers and students to yeah, to do whatever there, to learn, to read articles, all that stuff. What has been completed in this year is implementing the blog component. So yeah, now me and the teachers on the website can write blogs there. Yes, writing blogs in 2025 is just ridiculous, but yeah, it's just a milestone that was completed, and the idea was to bring some traffic with it. The only post that's available there is the post that I wrote myself after I completed this um, feature. Currently, I'm very close to finishing a new feature, the one that actually I hope will make a difference right away. The interactive lessons, and the teachers will be able to build these lessons and use them right away with their students in a form of homework. And yeah, I see a path how it can be developed in something great. So this is a good point, but what's bad is there could be more. There could be more features and more could be done. I'm not categorizing it as a complete failure, but something that could have been done better. I failed to record videos every week. I have started this channel and like my social media kind of presence as someone who posts, writes about tech, software, and data engineering in approximately June or July. And in these 6 months, I have posted 12, 15, 20-minute videos on YouTube. But the goal for me was to record videos every week. I have some videos in the backlog, so it wasn't that I recorded only 12 times. I recorded much more, but there were weeks that I missed that. And I'm the kind of person who thrives in systems, in discipline. So if I said to myself I'm recording it every week, then I'm literally recording it every freaking week. But reality and maybe my laziness or something else hits me in the face here. So recording these videos every week is far-fetched, I would say, because it takes a lot of time depending on the topic, but most of the topics, they really require a lot of time, a lot of preparation, and then editing, because videos like the last one about Uptime Kuma, they take a lot of time. It's actually a feature that I did for the Language Ranch website school, and then I recorded based on that the video, but the whole process took like days for sure, because first I need to research how to do it. I need to research the tool about the Uptime Kuma, all that stuff, then how to do it, write a plan, then actually implement it, and then write a plan for the video and implement it again for the video. Uh, yeah, and then film the video and edit it and all that stuff. So it takes a lot of time. I still have this ambition to record it every week, and hopefully I will get there. Or maybe in the next year I'll make it a bit more realistic, like at least two full-fledged videos every month. But for the short form content, it can be more frequent because it's something that you can do more easily. I have read only two tech books this year: The Phoenix Project and The Unicorn Project. Reviews on both of them you can find on the channel, so I'm happy that I did record videos about them. But yeah, only two semi-tech books, because they are like fiction, fiction about working in tech. It's not like hard STEM, like programming, computer science books that I would like to read. But yeah, the books were nice. I just wish I had read more tech books this year. Point number 6, lacked on tech skills this year. Let me elaborate on this one. I have learned a lot about marketing, about e-commerce, due to some side project that I had. It was actually pretty beneficial because I have gained an important knowledge there from zero, from scratch, and I believe it's something that will come in handy in the future for sure. But this year lacked tech hard skills. Like I didn't learn new programming language, I didn't finish the DSA course, I didn't practice a lot on lead code and that kind of stuff. I did some work on the language range school. Of course, I did my day-to-day work. Yeah, some technologies in relation to my day-to-day work. Of course, I have also learned, but I haven't learned much new just for myself, like some programming language or design patterns or whatever. So I wish I had more progress here. And the last point, I failed to combine tech with my other huge passion, which is investing. I like learning about companies, the stock market, ETFs, individual stocks, everything like building DCF models, just getting acquainted with companies, the business that they do, how they earn money, balance sheets, all that stuff, and then picking the stock, buying it, and holding. I'll just emphasize that it's not trading, not day trading, but long term value, not value, dividend investing, all that stuff, but something that can help me build financial freedom for myself and my family in the future. That's something that I like to do. I treat it actually as my hobby, like researching stocks, all that stuff. I find it very interesting, but I wish I could combine it with my other passion, which is tech area where I have some skills. So I would like to combine these two worlds together. Then I would be even more happy to spend my time on that. I have one tiny tool where these two passions are combined, but mainly because of necessity. The text calculator tool, the Python polars based application that I run several times a year, ideally just once a year, at the beginning of next year, to calculate the taxes for the previous year from the dividends and stock sales, etc. So it's not really exciting because, as you can imagine, the tax stuff isn't exciting at all. Um, and there could be just better ways to combine these two passions. But yeah, this tool exists. I'll have to work on it more to make it better because it's something that I'm forced to use. But yeah, I'm looking forward to more ways to combine these two things. And that's it. 7 points. I could make this list even longer. I have plenty of lowlights, but I would keep it as is because these are the relevant ones and something that I'm comfortable to share. If you're still watching, then thank you for sticking around. If you're a subscriber, then thank you double. And maybe this video gave you a nudge to reflect on your year, the failures, because these are the things that can help us grow and make the next year better. With that, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye.